Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, remote window operation, speed proportional power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.